Rough diamonds are natural stones that have not yet been cut or polished. Because they often look similar to quartz or other minerals, many people wonder how to test a rough diamond at home without professional tools. While laboratory testing is the most accurate, there are several simple and practical methods you can try at home to help identify whether a rough stone could be a real diamond. Hashono 1. Visual inspection. A real rough diamond usually has a greasy or oily surface shine, rather than a glassy one. Sharp, well-defined edges, not rounded like quartz. Natural triangular or octahedral crystal shapes. If the stone looks too smooth or perfectly rounded, it is likely not a diamond. 2. Transparency test. Unlike polished diamonds, rough diamonds are not fully transparent. Place the stone over printed text. If you can clearly read the letters through it, the stone is not a diamond. Real rough diamonds usually scatter light and appear cloudy or milky. 3. Scratch test. Use with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. Try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. A real diamond will scratch glass easily. Warning, this test may damage the stone and should be done carefully. 4. Density water test. Drop the stone into a glass of water. Real diamonds sink immediately due to their high density. If the stone floats or sinks slowly, it is probably fake. 5. Fog test. Breathe on the stone to create fog. If the fog disappears instantly, it may be a real diamond. Fake stones usually hold fog for a few seconds. 6. Heat resistance test. Heat the stone for about 30 to 40 seconds. Immediately drop it into cold water. A real diamond will not crack, while fake stones may break. This test can be risky and should be done carefully. 7. UV light test. Place the stone under ultraviolet UV light. Many real diamonds glow blue. No glow does not always mean fake, but strong yellow or green fluorescence can be a warning sign. Common stones mistaken for rough diamonds: quartz, zircon, topaz, glass. These stones are much softer and usually show rounded edges and strong transparency. Final advice. Home tests can help you identify potential rough diamonds, but they are not 100% accurate. If your stone passes several of these tests, the best step is to take it to a certified gemologist or diamond testing laboratory for confirmation. Conclusion. Testing a rough diamond at home is possible using simple methods like visual inspection, water tests, and scratch tests. However, professional evaluation is always recommended before buying or selling any rough diamond.